Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 5 MIS executive questions. So these are the questions are little tricky but not tough. The people often gets confused when it comes about to solve it in an interview. Okay, so these are the questions which we are going to solve. Let's start solving from the question number 1. So here the question says that replace all the cell colors with the red in a single go, which means that wherever you are able to see the yellow cells, we just need to replace, because we can replace the value. Here we need to replace the color with a different color, like as it's given here, right? The yellow cells we do have, okay, in this selection range, in the selected range, and wherever we have yellow color, we want to replace that with the red one. So control H first. After that, what you can do, just close this option. Now, not option. After that, go in here, choose the format from the cell, find what you want to do. This one, okay, the yellow one. Which one do you, I mean, with which color that you want to replace, go in the format, okay, and fill and select the red one. That's it. This is what actually you guys will have to do in order to replace the colors. So simple, click on the replace all. You look how simple it is. Okay, the question number 1. Question number 2. Here in the question number 2, here it says, below dates are in text format, convert them in the proper date format, use available feature, prefer not to use any formula. So here we don't need to use formula. Here you guys can see the date we do have, 15 point full stop 009.2025, something like that. We want in the date format like this, 15/09/2025. This is the date format. This is not. So simple, select it. Here we will solve it through text to column. Alt A E, delimit it, tab, go in the date. Okay, go in the date, and now finish. Simple. You look. Now this is in the date format. Okay, this is also very tricky, but people, it's very simple to solve when you have answer, but when you have no idea how to do that, the lot of things will go in your mind. Okay, so let's go to the question number 3. In the question number 3, you guys can see we do have multiple headers: employee ID, name, department, basic, bonus, and so on. So here the requirement is, we want, let's create a drop down here in the yellow cell, all DL. Then I will tell you the requirement. Here we do have the header names. So here the requirement is, if I'm selecting employee ID, I would like to have my all the employee IDs, okay, which we do have. Okay, if I'm selecting any header, I would like to have the details and the data against this column. Okay, this is the requirement. So first thing what you have to do, if you know the naming range, create the naming range by this, So employee ID, you have to replace this place with the underscore. Select it, Control Shift F3. This is something which we use for the bulk naming range. Click on OK, Control Shift F3. Okay, now we do have, go in the formula, go in the name manager. Here these are the, the names. Okay, and against each name, basic salary, you look, okay, against this name that we do have this particular range. Okay, so which means that now we do have other ranges in these names. So simple, select it like this, equal to indirect, click here and click on OK. You look, now just select anything, name, department, basic salary. Here we don't have a basic salary. Why it is not? Because in the naming range what happens, so there should not be any space. So what it should be with the underscore. Now if you will go and select the basic salary, you look, basic salary is here for the total salary as well. Okay, so go here in the total salary, you will be having the total salary, bonus, name, employee ID. This is something which we wanted to create. Okay, now here it also says below data set can be arranged dynamically by just entering the column number, which means, for example, here it is 1 2 3 4 so on, and here we do have bonus. Okay, in the ascending, here we do have, here the simple thing which we want to do is, in the K column, here its sorting should be also happen. So right here, sort. Okay, come here and click, simple, enter. Okay, now I'm selecting here basic salary. In the basic salary, you look, it is from the ascending to descending order. But if you will come here, 5 4 5 6, then 4 5, then 6252. Okay, this is something like that here. But if you will look at this range, it is in the format, it is in the, in the ascending order, ascending to descending. Okay, now go in the question number 4. In the question number 4, here we need to find the occurrence. Basically we have to perform here the occurrence of the blue, which means 1 2 3, how many blues are there. So basically here you have to use if condition. So if countif, right, this is the formula which we use for the, which we use for which we use for the running countif. This is the running countif. Okay, but here the condition we do have something different. What we need to do right here, if this is blue, then this formula should applicable, else blank. So because we want to do the occurrence, we want to find out the occurrence only of blue color. Now you look, 1 2 3, that's it. This is the formula you guys can use. Okay, now last question, question number 5. In the question number 5 here, it said how to make dynamic drop down list. So for example, this is the list. Okay, and someone wants to create it very very dynamically. So how this can be done quickly? So simple, the range, the data which you have, convert it into the table format, control T. Okay, my table has a header, simple, and okay. Now press alt DL for creating the list drop down, click here. Now it is saying till China. Here I'm writing here US as well. Okay, US should be here now. US is here. Let's write here Nepal. Let me see, Nepal is coming up. Yeah, Nepal is. This is the dynamic list. Okay, these are the 5 questions guys will help you to solve such a tricky question. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. All right, if you guys have any question, do let me know in the comment box. I will try to emphasize that in the next video. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.